Hidden beneath heavy clouds and a fortress of endless trees lies one of Earth's greatest wonders, the Amazon rainforest. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, this tropical giant isn't just called the planet's green lung for nothing. It absorbs billions of tons of CO2 each year and helps regulate the global climate. But the true value of the Amazon goes far beyond its environmental function. It lies in its mind-blowing biodiversity. Home to millions of species, from jaguars, caimans, and harpy eagles to countless insects, birds, amphibians, and plants, many of which science still hasn't fully documented. In today's video, join us as we dive into the wild world of these unique animals, each one a living testament to nature's awe-inspiring evolution. One peaceful afternoon, as sunlight filters through the dense canopy, a jaguar silently stalks the riverbank. Nearby, a caiman basks in the sun. When the moment comes, the jaguar creeps closer, then suddenly lunges, lightning fast, clamping its powerful jaws onto the prey's neck. A fierce struggle follows. The caiman thrashes violently, but the jaguar holds on with relentless determination. Eventually, it drags its prize ashore. Victory. The jaguar, through brute force and daring, has conquered one of the Amazon's most fearsome reptiles. It's the largest wildcat in the Americas and third worldwide, only after tigers and lions. With a muscular build and body lengths ranging from 1.1 to 1.9 meters, excluding the tail, a jaguar can weigh up to 100 kilograms, and in rare cases up to 150 kilograms. Its golden-orange coat, adorned with rose-shaped black spots, is as unique as a fingerprint. An apex predator, the jaguar's diet spans over 80 species, from wild pigs and deer to monkeys, turtles, birds, and even caimans. With a bite force exceeding 1,500 psi, one of the strongest among big cats, it can pierce a turtle's shell or crush a skull in a single bite. Unlike leopards, jaguars don't chase, they ambush. They move like shadows, slipping silently through thick vegetation until it's time to strike with lethal precision. What's more, jaguars love water. They're powerful swimmers, unafraid to dive for fish, turtles, even to attack crocodilians. Built for stealth, strength, and adaptability, the jaguar is the ultimate hunter of the Amazon. Another icon of the Amazon, the macaw. With rainbow-colored feathers, long, elegant tails, and extraordinary intelligence, macaws are both breathtaking and essential to rainforest ecosystems. These birds can reach lengths of 80 centimeters to over a meter, with their tail making up almost half that. Popular species like the blue and yellow, scarlet, and green-winged macaws are brilliantly colored, not just for visual impact but also for blending in among the vibrant jungle flowers. Their large, curved beaks are incredibly strong, perfect for cracking nuts and fruit. They also feed on leaves and even insects occasionally. A fascinating behavior, macaws often eat clay from riverbank cliffs. This helps neutralize toxins from fruits and provides vital minerals. Macaws are highly social birds, often seen in pairs or flocks of dozens, sometimes hundreds. They have sharp memories and can mimic sounds. Some even imitate human speech in captivity. Now, meet the spider monkey, a truly remarkable primate of the South American jungles, especially the Amazon. Lean bodies, long limbs, and ultra-flexible prehensile tails make them masters of the treetop life. Adult spider monkeys weigh 6 to 10 kilograms, with bodies 40 to 60 centimeters long. But their tails, often longer than their bodies, use like a fifth limb. Unlike most monkeys, their arms are longer than their legs. They have hook-shaped hands with no thumbs, letting them swing fluidly through the canopy like acrobats. They typically sport black, dark brown, or reddish fur, depending on the species. These primates are mostly vegetarian. Soft, ripe fruit makes up over 80% of their diet, but they also eat young leaves, seeds, flowers, and small insects for protein. Spider monkeys have excellent spatial memory, capable of remembering which trees bear fruit across vast areas. A crucial trait in the ever-changing, multi-layered rainforest. Living in large groups of 15 to 30, they have complex social systems, communicating through vocalizations, facial expressions, gestures, and even tail movements. Spending nearly all their time in the treetops, they're especially vulnerable to deforestation, hunting, and habitat loss. Despite their intelligence and agility, many species, like the white-fronted black spider monkey, are now endangered, victims of the shrinking Amazon rainforest. In stark contrast to the fast-paced Amazon jungle, the sloth is nature's slowest-moving mammal, an icon of Central and South America, especially the Amazon. With its shaggy fur and sluggish movements, the sloth isn't just charming, it's a marvel of strange adaptation. There are two main types, two-toed and three-toed sloths. Both are small, weighing 4 to 8 kilograms and measuring 50 to 70 centimeters. With long arms and hooked claws, they can cling to branches for hours, often even while sleeping. Their thick coats don't just provide warmth, they're mini ecosystems hosting algae, bacteria, and insects. The algae tint their fur green, camouflaging them perfectly in the trees. Their slow movements, weak body odor, and greenish fur make them almost invisible to predators like eagles, jaguars, or snakes. Sloths are herbivores, eating mostly leaves, flowers, and fruit. But their food is low in nutrients, so they've evolved complex stomachs and symbiotic gut bacteria to break down tough plant fibers. Digestion takes weeks. They conserve energy by being extremely slow, a survival strategy, not a weakness. They spend nearly all their time in the treetops, only descending once a week, usually to defecate. While others escape predators with speed, sloths survive by not drawing attention at all. But today, the Amazon faces grave threats. Deforestation, mining, illegal poaching, and climate change are devouring this ancient forest. Every year, thousands of hectares vanish, replaced by farms and cattle pastures, leaving animals without homes. Species with limited ranges are especially at risk of extinction. To protect this biodiversity, countries like Brazil have launched conservation programs, strengthening patrols, expanding reserves, and cracking down on illegal logging. Both global and local organizations are working with communities, teaching sustainable living and raising environmental awareness. Meanwhile, scientists continue to study Amazon's wildlife, identifying fragile ecosystems and endangered species to better protect them. It's a long road ahead, but these efforts are vital to preserve one of Earth's most precious treasures. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us improve and create better content for you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss future episodes.